And we're back. And we're kicking off the Independence Day weekend with
Hamilton film style.
Yeah, so we're gonna watch the Hamilton premiere on Disney Plus, and Mark is starting off with some cocktails.
Hamel shots.
I gotta know, when can we do this again?
Alright, so this is the Alexander Hamilton shot. I kind of modified it a little bit. It should have whiskey in it. I don't have whiskey. We can't have whiskey, so we don't have that. But basically we have some apple, Captain Morgan apple smash. We have a little bit of Captain Morgan spiced rum. And some apple cider.
All right, we've arrived at our table in the dinner theater. We've got our snacks.
Yep.
And we've got our
Hamel shots.
Hamel shots.
And we need to have those done by my shot. So you can either shot it with my shot or sip it till you get there. Cheers. To Hamilton.
Cheers. To Hamilton.
To Hamel film.
Ooh, hot strong. All right, we just hit intermission. Time for dinner. Mark made this amazing Caribbean pork inspired dish. We've got our Hamilton glasses from when we saw the show in
American
Chicago.
Those are Founders Fizzes.
Founders Fizzes, which is
gin,
yeah,
lemonade, well the lemon juice, and simple sugar and a little bit of Sprite.
and it's right off of the menu from
Musical.
the theater, yeah. When you go and
Founders
see the show, this is one of the cocktails that you can get. And we have apple pie bites for dessert. So we've got Hamilton's home roots represented, and
America.
when he came over to America.
Is that good?
It's really good.
What do you think, Papa?
This is amazing. From the drink, that's wonderful.
Cheers. All right, we are up early on the 4th of July because I don't know if you can see it. We'll zoom in on it. But we've got hot air balloons flying over. They're doing some fun things in town here today. Since we can't have our traditional 4th of July, we've got hot air balloon flyovers. Our neighborhood's doing a bike parade. I think they're gonna do like a flyover
Yeah,
later.
some private planes
Yeah.
and stuff.
Oh yeah, look at, there's another one. All right, well, the hot air balloon parade has finished, and by finished I mean I think we saw 4 in total.
Yes.
But since we're up early, we're gonna have a giant patriotic breakfast. So we've got red, white, and blue pancakes, bacon, and of course I've got my Americana Mickey mug. Hey Wally, you waking up? Waking up to bacon? Oh, better take a bite of that bacon before Biggie eats it.
Yeah, here comes Biggie to get the bacon.
Biggie's coming for your bacon. You're just like half asleep, huh, dude? We're ready. We're ready for the bike parade.
What did it?
Our neighborhood is doing a little bike parade for the 4th of July, so Wally got his bike all decorated and he's excited to participate. Are you excited? He's ready to go.
There's the Northern Colorado flyover formation. Those are in tight formation, guys. Good job. Those guys are social distancing right there. Happy 4th. Low and slow, boys. Low and slow. Run! Reload and run!
Epic water balloon fight! Get him, Wally! Get him, Wally! Get him! Oh! Oh!
Let me get one more.
Get him! Get him! Oh! Here they go!
Biggie's gonna get him, Biggie! Get him, Biggie! Get him! Oh, Biggie!
All right, we're ready for fireworks. Everything's been canceled, but the Budweiser Event Center Ranch is still doing fireworks. So we'll see what we can see. Oh,
There they go.
there they are.
Socially distance firework watching.
All right, so here is the Ranch Complex fireworks, which is a combination between Loveland and Fort Collins during their fireworks show. And then over here, you can see Windsor. So I think we found the sweet spot for watching fireworks this year. And we're not even having to deal with any crowds.
We're at Disney World, surrounded by fireworks. Over here, and over here. Over here. And over here.
Whoa. Those are some good fireworks. Wow. Realized we can see Timnath's fireworks too. Timnath. Windsor's just getting ready for their grand finale. We just watched the grand finale of the Loveland Fort Collins fireworks. This may be the greatest fireworks viewing spot ever. What do you think, Wally?
We might do a Bollywood here when all the Bollywood already done.
I know. Then we're gonna go home and do our own fireworks, aren't we?
Pew, 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 pew.
Ooh, that's a good finale. All right, we're back at my parents' house.
Oh.
And we're gonna do some fireworks. Yeah. And these are all legal
Legal in Larimer County.
here in Larimer County at my parents' house because they are outside of city limits. So we have some quiet fireworks
Quiet.
we're gonna do here at home to end out the 4th of July. Go. Ready?
Hopefully that one's quiet too.
Wow, that was a good one.
You got it. Go.
Woo-hoo. Whoa. That's the big stand. It says this is quiet right on it. Quiet.
No noise.
Okay, are we ready for the
got the
big
camera?
daddy? Oh. Ooh, Bubby.
There it goes.
Wow! Wowee, buddy. That's the big one. Oh, oh.
Still going and going and
It's still
going.
going and going and going. Oh my goodness. Ah, so much.
Yeah, there's a fire coming.
That is really cool, dude. All right, well, we're rounding out the night watching some fireworks from upstairs in my parents' bedroom because it is crazy out here. Definitely not legal what people are shooting off.
No.
Very loud, pretty crazy, but luckily Biggie is not phased by
We
it at
have
all.
firework trained Biggie.
Firework / thunder
Thunderstorm,
trained her, so
yes.
she's just not afraid of the noise, which is really nice. She's pretty chill and happy to be with us. And Wally, did you have so much fun on the 4th of July? Yeah, I think he's pretty tired though. We got up super early. He didn't even take a nap today.
No nap. Ah.
So I think we're gonna round things out. And this guy is gonna take a tub, and my guess is he will be sound asleep on the car ride home. Yeah,
You know, you hear the firework out there?
yeah, you hear him out there?
Uh-huh.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe. You know that helps us out. Right down below, hit that bell icon and that like button and that subscribe button. Oh, this is the wonderful world of Walter.
And we love you.
Just the way you are.